Perfect lighting right here.
Yeah. Good morning.
Morning. Saturday the 16th? 16th. Unfortunately, I got the ring just slightly too small, so she's not wearing it today, and that's fine.
We will find her a placeholder.
We are headed back to the same bakery because
It's just so good.
and then we're gonna go to a cafe and get some real coffee.
Today we are doing Musée d'Orsay. We are doing the Pantheon.
And today's our last full day here, and then we go to Amsterdam.
Ses favorites boulangerie est fermée.
That means our favorite bakery is closed.
No, look at you.
We are headed down to our first destination, which is Le Notre-Dame.
Cathedral.
What?
Notre-Dame.
Ah, Cathedral.
Cathedral.
Le Notre-Dame.
Walk to the church. Say a little prayer of Thanksgiving.
Yes.
And all the blessings.
We're gonna head to a cafe right near there. Gonna go get our eat and drink on. So we're headed to the metro right now. Great system, by the way, Paris.
Yes, awesome.
Can get anywhere pretty quickly. We bought a 3-day visitor pass for €25 each. Alrighty, had a nice little
Petit déjeuner.
petit déjeuner, which is, I guess, breakfast.
Yeah.
And a
Little lunch.
small lunch. Now we're heading over to Notre-Dame. Unfortunately, the line is super long and Mass is about to start, so we're gonna come back. There's an app that we downloaded to schedule a time to go to the towers. In the meantime, we're going to Pantheon. Today's just not our day so far. We got to d'Orsay, so we're waiting there for probably like
25 minutes.
they make an announcement saying, oh, due to technical reasons, we're not letting people in. We don't know when we're gonna reopen. We get out of line, we just start looking for places to eat.
And then they started letting people in.
Like 2 minutes after we got out of the line. And by that time, the line had gotten like 10 times longer than it was when we got into it. We can't just jump back in. I don't get why they made the announcement and then 2 minutes later started letting people in.
Rude. So rude.
So we're not going to the d'Orsay because they fucked us over.
And the day that I decided to switch back to my New Balances, because it wasn't raining much yesterday and it was a little heavier on my feet, it starts raining.
So that's been our day.
Notre-Dame,
all the way up the tower and down.
through the whole church,
While mass was starting.
which is pretty cool actually.
Yeah. The percussion of the organ in
The
church.
acoustics of that church, so
Crazy.
good.
Today has kind of been a daily failure. We got to the catacombs probably about an hour before the cutoff, but the line was actually longer than we thought, and so we missed the cutoff.
So now we're gonna go have dinner. Steak feet.
Big feet.
I think we should go get some.
Yeah,
Deal.
deal. How was dinner?
To whoever recommended that plate, thank you.
They give you 2 portions of steak and frites.
Not necessarily 2 portions, they just half your portion. What are they?
Well, they give you a lot of frites
Oh, a lot of frites.
and like one normal.
So it's like the French version of steak and potatoes, but better. Ask for medium, they give you rare. You ask for well, I judge you.